A total of 89 odds is available for you today. 10 matches. Let's get started. The first game we have is in Poland, where GKS Gestabi is taking on Pogon, and my prediction here is both team to score. The next one we have is a game in Austria, where SV Horn is taking on Rapid Wien, and my prediction is both team to score. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe to this channel or follow this Facebook page if you are new. Moving on, we have a game between France taking on Argentina in the Olympics. Prediction is both team to score. The next one we have is a game between Japan taking on Spain, and my prediction here is both team to score. Moving on, we have a game in Sweden where Lidköping is taking on Force. However, my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in international friendly where Club Brugge is taking on Monaco. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game between VSK Aarhus taking on Rising in the Denmark lower division, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section where you get premium 2 odds, 5 to 20 odds on daily basis. Moving on, we have a game between Fortuna Sita taking on the Graf Sharp, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between FC Groningen taking on Heracles Almelo. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The last game on this ticket is a game between Tips taking on Atlantis FC, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. You'll find this game in Finland lower division. So that is a total of 10 matches, 89 odds. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Okay, guys, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And remember to bet responsibly. And I will see you guys after the game.